Government of Manipur Home Department nagi ngasi January gi tang nipan English singani ga kungani thoi sida order ama tholol li dugu ma'am kari order no habdu ma'am miyeng taminasi leiba sida COVID-19 gi mutant variant oiriba B.1.1529 Omicron na nongnomagi nabagi masing hengalakli maram aduna khudakti gi hairiba sing si sanaba jo hokrabani numidang gi pung 8 dagi ayuk pung 5 phawba night curfew thamba loina social gathering sing haibadi COVID appropriate behavior ngakna punmada ayaba piri sising sidiu face mask upa aduga physical distancing haiba venue aduda present toriba miyoi singna maintain tawba loina gathering aduda sungsoi soidana open halls amasum space oigadabani aduga loina haiba hall natragani space adu magi capacity 50 capacity digi hena miyoi masing manungda leiroidabani haina supali amaromdana micro containment zone singda police department teams amasum health department teams singna yamna police department teams amasum health department teams na yamna kupna strictly monitor tawgudabani haina supali aduga inawnoba fresh case oina COVID-19 infection thengnaba miyoi singsi yariba makai athubada isolated tawduna legadabani haina sufungdorakli loina health department na vaccination contact tracing amasum testing by providing additional manpower mobility support amasum IEC about KC singasi home department na scale tawgadori loina atopa print amasum electronic media amasum essential service amasum curfew manungna makoi singsi sathok jasin tawbadasu ayaba piri annexer makhada piri basida state asida activities permitted tawraba revise list ama pithoi myam makhasathana myam na pizaraki loina deputy commissioner singna darka taba issue singi order tawgadabani amasum superintendent of police na darka taba action lakhatgadabani order si strictly oinabagi damakta haina spali aduga annexer da kai yaurigi habadu myam miyeng taminasi list of permitted activities oiraba singsi ahanmada government office PSUs amasum other public utilities ni aduga all central amasum state government ki office sing makoi singsi function tawdori duga function tawbasida 66% physical attendance of the employees oigadori physical attendance oina employees singsi 66% ka COVID-19 gi magi COVID appropriate behavior section na ngakna attendance oigadabani aduga office khudimaki department khudimaki maki duty adu roster oina order tawgarabani loina employees sing office karakta sing adu office award phone all tawraga available oina leigadabani amasum korakpa matamda athu akai gi oina urgent matters sing gi damakta makoi attend tawgadabani shops amasum commercial establishment khudimak makhada piribasi natana atopa singdi ayuki pung 10 dagina numidang waram pung 3 fawba phambagi ayapa piri aduga ngayonba poultry amasum poultry product mills amasum fresh milk product yonba singi dukan singi oina ayuki pung 9 dagina nungthilgi pung 1 fawba hangba yagadori loina roster oina makhada piriba thangal amasum pauna bazar gi shop singsi ayuki pung 9 dagina numidang wairamgi pung 3 fawba hangba yagadori myam miyeng taminasi ningthokabada thangal bazar gi oina clothes shoes stationery sports utensil crockery electrical pen mattress and carpets furniture aluminum construction materials plywood yonba hangba yagadori duga pauna bazar dana hariba ningthokaba numit asida luggage and bags stationery jewelry cosmetic photo cycle glass and ply clothes only eastern side dry cleaner mattress and carpet furniture hangba yagaduri leiba kokpo numitana thangal bazar da utensils electronics computers mobile including service centers weaving yarns motor parts tires batteries hardware sanitary fittings tiles marbles dukan sing hangba yagadori aduga pauna bazadana clothes only western side shoes weaving yarn computer mobile including service center electronics sports eyeglasses dukan sing hangba yagadori aduga yumsikasa numitana thangal bazada clothes shoes stationery sports utensil crockery electrical pens mattress and carpets, furniture, aluminum, construction materials, plywood sing hangba yagaduri. Hariba numit yum sakisa sida pauna bazadana luggage and bag, stationery, jewelry, cosmetic, photocycle, glass and ply, clothes, only eastern side, dry cleaners, mattress and carpets, furniture sing hangba yagaduri. Sagon senumitana thangal bazara utensils, electronics, computers, mobiles, including service centers, webbing yarns, motor parts, tires, batteries, hardwares, sanitary fittings, tiles, marbles sing hangba yagaduri. Hariba numit sagon senasida pauna bazardana clothes only western side, shoes, webbing yarns, computers, mobile, including service centers, electronics, sports, eyeglass singi dukan hangba yagaduri. Irai numitana clothes, shoes, stationery, sports, utensil, crockery, electrical pans, mattress and carpets, furniture, aluminum, construction materials, plywood ki dukan sing thangal bazar da hangba yagaduri. Aduga pauna bazar dana luggage and bag, stationery, jewelry, cosmetic, photocycle, glass and ply, clothes only eastern side, dry cleaners, mattress and carpets, furniture hangba yagaduri. Aduga thangza numitana utensils, electronics, computers, mobiles, including service centers, webbing yarns, motor parts, tires, batteries, hardwares, sanitary fittings, tile, marbles hangba yagadori thangal bazarda. Hariba thangza numit asida pauna bazardana clothes only western side, shoes, webbing yarns, computers, mobile, including service centers, electronics, sports, eyeglasses sing hangba yagadori. Loina na yamna section strictly COVID appropriate behavior ngakna shopping mall singda 50% customers singdagi hena sanghandaba haiba masu yauri. Aduga Safam sing haibadi hotel gumba restaurant singumbadana magi lairiba saliba capacity adudagi 50% khaktamak miyoi lehengadabani. Aduga gymnasium amasum fitness center singna ayuki pung manga dagina nungthilgi pung baro fawu hangani. Aduga cinema hall, entertainment hall gumbana magi seat capacity do 50% capacity kidamak function tawgadabani haina supali. Aduga educational institution gi oinadi physical classes singi oina class 9 amasum magi mathakta leba class singsi magi lairiba classroom gi capacity 50% ama lehengadabani. Aduga online classes amasum hengat hangadabani loina na physical classes singna hangadabani amasum coaching center amasum private tuition center singi oinadi physical classes sing tawu yarodri makhoi only online classes oina pangthokadabani hainasu order sinasu mayek singna pali. Aduga hausiku inadi myam matang sa lusinjarage amasum pathoksa gibda soikiba lankiba yawrs myam na ngakpigani aduga sungai soidana myam na anawa update sing Pizarakhi hainasu channel sigi mekedi ki thamjari aduga hausiku inadi matang sa lusinjarage and thank you.